Hello student, today I am going to teach you a PowerPoint second part. I have already told you about the videos and picture. Today I will teach you how to insert all these things in your animation. First of all, I will run my show so you will come to know how to make it or how to run it. On next page, I have given the topic and then I have made a link through which you can go on any topic. Suppose
मोना इंडिया के लीडर को
this is
कनेक्ट
your
करो विद
video which you
कोरोना।
are inserting in your device. Here I have taken two action keys. From this you can go back to the menu. Here you can say Corona rules to follow. Here when you press this one, then it will animate the picture. How you will do, I will tell you. Then cashless payment is very essential nowadays. Then I come to the quarantine period, which is the period for the patients. Now again I want to go to the index. So here how to make a graphic in Excel that I have given you as a project. If you won't be able to make it, then I will tell you how to make. Next, I have make the hyperlink, which I will tell you how to make a hyperlink. Then hyperlink for the news, hyperlink is for the song, hyperlink is for the vaccine which are going to develop, then hyperlink for the news in which the people said how the world will change after corona, and then the warriors who are supporting us to um, to get rid from this disease, and then the object which I have to insert, that is a paintbrush, Excel, pictures and word. And then next I will insert the video and the sound. Sound, in sound you can take a pre-made sound or a sound which you can record. Here I will teach you how to insert all these things. So come on the file in which I will teach how to insert all these things. Come on the menu on the slide in which I will tell you how to insert the link. Here come here and press insert. Here first of all you learn how to insert the picture. So come here and insert picture. Take any picture which you want to insert. Suppose this one. Then come here and press insert. You will get the picture. And paste it here. Then next, same way you can insert picture from clip art, which you know how to do. Come here, press put clip art, pencil here, press clip art. Here you will get the pictures. You can insert any picture in it. Suppose you insert building, take this one and insert in your table. Make it big. and then you want to insert the shape, then press shape and insert it anywhere. You know the shape, and then smart art, select this heading and convert it into the smart art. Press any which you want. Suppose I press this one. Okay. Control Z. Select it. Convert to smart art. Press this one. Then it will convert it into smart art. Right click. Select rows. Okay. Clip art and shape. Now again an insert menu. You want to insert the chart. For that you have to make an Excel file. Now I will tell you how to insert the link, hyperlink. So come here and insert hyperlink. Then go to the internet from where you can get the links. Suppose you write Aaj Tak News. You will get the link from Aaj Tak. Copy it, Control C, and come back to your file. Here you type that link, Control V, and press OK. You will get the link. Now when you press this, then it will run and you will get the news from live. Now here I have made already the song. So copy this link, Control C, and go to that same way as you did in news. You come here and paste the song link, or come here, press here link and OK. Then you will get the link. Same way you can make a vaccine link. Come here in vaccine and copy it. All these links you can run online, which I will tell you how to run. Control C, then come to the tutorial. Here you press hyperlink. Here you type that link or paste that link, then you will get the link. Press one by one, which you have inserted in this. This is the picture, this is the clip art, and this is the shape. Now you want to insert the object. Text box I have already told you how to do. Now insert text box, header, footer, and text box you insert this way. Press here and come here. In this you can write welcome. This way you can insert your text. Now you want to insert header and footer, which I have already done. When you write here date and time and slide number and footer, I have written fight for corona. Please stay at home. And when I said apply to all, then it will come all slides. Then it will come to all slides, and automatically the date and page number will come. Then insert word art. When I want to convert this how to insert. Take it as a shift end. Select it and come on insert menu, press word art, press this one. How to insert. The heading will convert it into how to insert into word art format. You can use that in your this one. How to insert. Okay, then insert date and time. I have already slide number. I have already done. Then object. Object means you can take information from other facilities like Word or Excel and any other device related to the MS Office. For that I am going to take a new slide from home menu. I will take new slide. Here I press blank. Here I insert the text box. Then write insert object. I've already made that slide, but I want to tell you a live how to insert. So press here and go to insert menu, press object. Here you say bitmap. Okay. Then you draw something or you take pre-made, come here and fill it with yellow color. Fill it with yellow color and come back. It will come here. And then next you want to insert the Excel. So come here and do Excel worksheet. Okay, it will give you a worksheet. So increase the size of the font and here you write name. It is too big, so decrease it. Name, here you write age. So it has not taken the size, so make it, then write here A, B, C, D, and here come and type 12, 15, 13. Okay, this way you can insert sheet, press here, you will get the sheet in your PowerPoint. Now insert object, that is Word document. Go in a Word, you write welcome to the practical session, and then make it big, otherwise there you could not be able to see anything, and press center, and then press back, it will come here. So the bitmap, the Excel, and then Word you have inserted. Now you have to insert the movie. So movie from file or from organizer. Two way you can take. From file I have already taken Coronavirus, and from organizer I will take this one or take this one. Press just here, it came here. So put it here, and then insert sound from file. You have to take some sound file, but I have not sound file, so take it from sound from organizer. Here clap, telephone, anything which you want. Press automatically, it will ring automatically. Speaker will come. When you click on it, then it will ring. Or how to record your sound. Press this one, press record sound, and then press write your name, info, then start record. Here you what you say it will record here, and when you run your presentation, the record will run automatically, and what you have to tell to the audience need not to tell. The sound which run will tell each and every step of your slide to the audience, and it will be very helpful for the presentation. Press OK. A sound will come here. Now I have to run only these two slides because I have just made here, and you have to watch it. And in this slide I have tell you how to insert picture, clip art, and shape, and text box. So run from this slide, from current slide. Here you will get this link, press this link, then you will come to the Aaj Tak site, and here you will listen the news, then come back, cancel, then come back and press on this link. It will run the sound which I have tell him to play. This will bring the sound. Then again leave it and then come to this side and press again about the vaccine to resume the slide and run it. Then you will get the news about the
हर कोई
vaccine.
अपने अपने तरीके से हर किसी की मदद हुआ है, लोगों का हौसला बढ़ा
Okay.
रहा है, लेकिन इसी बीच प्रधान
So live information you will get through your PowerPoint presentation, and I have already told you how to insert the clip art and all, and then you have to go back. Next, again the sound will ring automatically. The telephone. This is your bitmap. This is your Excel. This is your Word, and this is your animation video. Now you press this one and you will get what you have recorded. It will record here, and when you run your presentation, the record will run automatically, and what you have to tell to the audience need not to tell, the sound which run will tell. Okay, then I will end the show. One thing is left, how to create the link for the action. Suppose I run this current slide, and when I press this, it will go to the index menu, and for that you have to set the action. How you will set the action? Press this arrow key. How it will come? Insert, shape. Here you will get this, or you can make it. Suppose I will take this one and press this slide, and put it here, that symbol. Okay, the symbol come here. Take this again, some small, this one. Okay, now you have to insert the action. Come on action box. Here you will get the link of your slide. Come here and press slide. This is your 19th slide. So come here and press the 19th slide. But you have to go back. So go to the third slide. Here I have given the index and press OK. So when you run this slide and press current slide to run and press this one, then you will come here. And when you said record sound, go to there, click here.
Hello, welcome to the practical session.
You will get one by one all the slides. And this is the end of my project. Now you will try this by your own and subscribe my channel so you get my more videos which I have already uploaded to the YouTube, and this is for your benefit. I am taking too much time to make all these videos, so please subscribe it and download it and run the program and make the note for all these videos.